Hello everyone. So today we are going to study about Annelida. Annelida got their name because of the presence of annular body. Okay. So phylum Annelida includes all the non-chordate animals with the annular body. The annules means rings. So they have got several rings. Each ring is acting as a segment. So they are the segmented organisms in which the body, each segment is acting as a ring, and because of the rings, presence of the rings, they are called annelida. Okay. Now annelida are first in many things. There are several things which are first time seen in this particular category or this particular phylum of animal kingdom. Some of the common examples which are visible here, which are shown here. Earthworm is very common. You all might have seen. You might have seen or heard about leeches. You might have also heard about nares, and there are some other examples which are not very common, but they are there. Okay. Now, some of the general characteristic or common characteristic of annelids: notochord, it is absent. Nerve cord, it is also absent. Pharyngeal gill also absent, and post-anal tail is also absent. So because of the absence of these four characteristics, which are generally characteristic of chordates, so we call them as non-chordates. Okay. Level of organization, so they have got organ system grade of organization. Okay, now let me summarize here. That is, whenever we are studying about the animal kingdom, as we are going from lower to higher phylums, whatever characters are seen or present in the lower phylum, they will be seen in the other higher phylum also, or they may be upgraded. So organ system grade of organization we have seen first time in roundworms. So from the roundworms, all the other organs which are in higher phylums, they will always have organ system. So may it be Annelida, may it be Mollusca, Arthropoda, Echinodermata, Protochordata, or Vertebrata, they will all have organ system grade of organization. So they got several well-developed digestive systems like digestive system, blood circulatory system, excretory system, nervous system, reproductive system, sensory system. All these are found very well developed in Annelida. Next, germinal layer. So they got three layers, three distinct layers. One is ectoderm, the outermost layer, which is shown in here in the blue color. Then the second one is endoderm, which is shown in yellow color here, and two distinct mesoderm layer is there. So one is this mesoderm, and second is this mesoderm. A mesoderm which is found outside, a mesoderm which is found outside the endoderm, and another mesoderm which is found inside the ectoderm. So this is the mesoderm which is found inside the ectoderm, and this is the mesoderm which is found outside the endoderm, and there is a cavity found here. So this region is a cavity. So this cavity is called coelom. The coelom is a cavity which is found between two continuous mesodermal layers, and we have seen what are the two continuous mesodermal layers, and since coelom is present in them, they are called coelomate. Okay, so first is three germinal layer. Three germinal layers we have seen first time in Platyhelminthes, then in Aschelminthes, then Annelida, and all the other organisms will have three germinal layers. And the next character, that is coelom. So true coeloms is seen first time in Annelida. Before that it was pseudocoelomate, and before that it was acoelomate. So first coelomate animal is Annelid, and Annelida and all other organisms above Annelida will have true coelom. Okay, next is segmentation. So they got true segmented body. Each of these annuals which is visible here, all these are called segment. And since the body is equally segmented, it is called truly segmented body, also known as metamerically segmented body. Okay, symmetry. So they got bilateral symmetrical body. You see from the top, you can make a line here to left and right side can be equally divisible. So whatever things are seen in the left hand side will be seen also in the right hand side. So the body is bilaterally symmetrical. Exoskeleton is absent. It is the first animal in which the body is soft and moist. So general characteristic when we talk about the annelid, we say soft, segmented and moist body. So segmented is there that we are studying the segmentation, and here exoskeleton is absent, hence body is soft and moist without any exoskeleton. Nutrition. So most of them are free living. Some are depending on other organisms for their food, and uh, some eat on the dead debris, and leech-like organisms are parasite. So digestive system is very very developed. You can see the mouth is here, then pharynx is there, the esophagus, crop, gizzard, and even intestine. Okay, and the anus. So a very well developed digestive system is first time seen in annelids. Two distinct openings are there. So if you cut from anywhere, you will get tube within tube type of body of plan. Next, respiration. So their body has got a rich network of blood capillaries, and because of that, they appear pinkish in color. Hemoglobin is present, so which gives its blood red color. And because of the capillary network, their body appear pinkish in color. And skin is moist, so it traps oxygen. Oxygen goes inside, reacts, combines with the hemoglobin and form oxyhemoglobin, and carbon dioxide is given out. So it is all done by diffusion. Circulation, first time developed, and that also is closed blood circulation. So the blood circulation is of closed blood circulation type. Hemoglobin is present. Second thing, the very first thing is that is the closed blood circulation, which is not seen in any other category or any other phylum of the non-chordata. It is only and only the very first thing, that is the first time circulatory system is developed. Secondly, it is closed blood circulation having two distinct blood vessels. One is the dorsal blood vessel, which is red in color, the ventral blood vessel, which is blue in color. Dorsal one takes oxygen, and ventral one brings the carbon dioxide. There are heart located 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 in earthworm. Other organisms may have other number of heart, and the blood only remain confined in the heart and the blood vessels, and that is why it is called closed blood circulation. Another important thing is presence of hemoglobin. So that gives its blood red color. But important thing notice that there is no RBC like organ cell found. Hemoglobin is found directly dissolved in the plasma. So blood circulation is very important. Several important characteristics we are discussing. Next is excretion. The excretion is done by nephridia. There are three kind of nephridia found here. First is pharyngeal nephridia. These are the pharyngeal nephridia here. Then septal nephridia, which are found in the septas between two segments. Here you can see. And the third is integumentary. So these are the integumentary nephridia which are found from here to there. So there are there which eliminate nitrogen waste in the form of urea. Okay, so they require some amount of water to eliminate nitrogenous waste. Okay, and that is why they are found in the moist regions. Locomotion, so they have got locomotory organs named as CT, and CETA or CT, plural is CT, singular is CETA, which is found at the lower side, ventral side, and they are very tiny structure which may be not visible under the without any aid of microscope. But if you see it with the help of some lens or microscope, you will be able to see some such ridges. Okay, so these are seta, the moving organ, and the organ of locomotion in nares and some other aquatic organisms is the parapodia, which help them to move. Next, sensory organs. So we can see eyes are there, the antennas are there. This is the antenna. Antenna are feeler, eyes are the organ of light sensation, and scala, that skin itself is the the sensors for touch and chemicals. Okay, so that is how the sensory structure which are visible in them. Next is nervous system. So there are one pair nerves found at the ventral side, and from there at each segment there are large number of nerves connected, and neurons are emerging out of forming a bunch-like structure. They are called ganglion. And then both the nerves form a circle around the pharynx and form a joint connection here that is acting as a primitive brain, or it is also known as cerebral ganglion. Okay, so this is acting as a control and coordinating part of the body, that is cerebral ganglion. Okay, reproduction. So they show asexual reproduction in the form of segmentation or regeneration only in certain organisms. Mostly it is sexual reproduction, and for sexual reproduction, several organs are there which are hermaphrodite, having both the male and female organs present in same body. However, in spite of having both the organs present in same body, they will avoid self-fertilization, or many of them are dioecious. So this is earthworm which is hermaphrodite, and you see one earthworm and the second earthworm, and its male organ comes in contact with the this earthworm female body, and its female organ comes in contact with this. So this is how they are exchanging gamete between two different individuals, although they are hermaphrodite. Okay, fertilization is internal, and they may lay egg and directly develop into young one, or the eggs may come together into cocoon, and then they may develop into larva, and development may take place indirect. So both the type of development is visible, direct or indirect. Direct means without larval stage, and indirect with larval stages. Okay, so that's all in this video. Please like and share the video if you really like it. Ask your doubts in the comment section. Subscribe the channel if you are new. Press the bell icons to get the notification about latest video. Thank you, and look for the next video. You'll get the notification. Press the bell icon. Thank you.